Welcome to this LibreOffice Calc lesson on text functions, part 1. Sometimes you'll need to have text mixed in the formulas with functions and cell references. The text function is used to format numbers which appear as text. With this function, you can make sure the numbers are formatted correctly. To join text with a cell reference or a function, use the and symbol, called an ampersand. So here's an example. Click in A2, type equals. Text must always be enclosed in double quotes. So double quote, total is, then a space, then a $sign, end quote. Then type an ampersand to join the text. Then click A1. Press Enter. Notice that the cell is aligned to the left. Cells that contain text are by default left aligned. Cells that contain numbers are aligned to the right, like A1 here. If you want a cell with text to be aligned right, just press the Right Align button on the toolbar. Next thing I need to do is format the number so that the decimal and cents appear at the end, and also a comma for the thousands separator. The way to do this is to use the text function. The text function formats a number the way you want it displayed. By using the hash or number sign, whichever you want to call it, you can have the number display a significant digit. If there's a number there, it'll show it. If not, it displays nothing. Using zeros will display insignificant digits. If there's a number there, it displays the number. If no number, it displays a 0. The text function takes two parameters. The first is the number itself. Then second is the format. The format must be enclosed in double quotes. Here I've got examples of some formats and how they work. They're all using this number here in A5 as their source. I'll double-click the first one. I have it formatted to display insignificant digits with zeros. I've put the comma in to indicate where the thousands separator should be. I'll press Escape to get out of edit mode. It displays the thousands separator in the right place. The problem is it shows zeros even when there's no number there. That's okay for this side over here if I were dealing with currency, but not here. I'll double-click the next, and here I've got all number signs to display significant digits in the format. I'll press Escape. Now, if it's currency, it shows the dollars part correctly. But after the decimal point, it only shows one number. I'll double-click on the next one. I have it formatted to display significant digits in the dollars part, with the comma indicating where the thousands separator should be. Then after the decimal, I have zeros to display insignificant digits. So it shows a 0 even when there's no number. I'll press Escape to get out of the formula. This one is just right for currency. So now I'll fix the output in cell A2. First I'll click on it and press the Delete key to start out fresh. Type equals, then double quote. Total is a space, then a $sign, end quote, an ampersand, then type text. Press Enter. The first parameter is the number. Click A1, comma. Next parameter is the format. Here I'll use the format from the third example I just demonstrated. The format must be enclosed in double quotes, so double quote, a number sign, then a comma, then 3 number signs. Now for the cents, type a period, then 2 zeros. End quote. Press Enter. And there you are. Now if I change the number in A1, it will always display in the correct format. Let's see, I'll change it to 3,555,010 cents. And as you see, it keeps the format I created in the text function. Here's another example. I want to create a line of text for a receipt at a grocery store. I want it to say your total is, then have the formula calculate the total, then a thank you at the end. To do this, in D1, I'll type equals, double quote, your total is, then a space, a $sign, end quote. Now the ampersand, type text, then press enter. For the first parameter, we'll add the cost of the items. Type sum, press enter, drag and highlight B2 to B5. Click after the parentheses for the sum function. Type a minus sign, then click B6 to subtract the coupon amount. Type a comma to get to the second parameter of the text function. Now for the format. It must be in double quotes, so double quote, number sign, comma, 3 number signs, a period, then 2 zeros, end quote. Click after the text function parentheses, type an ampersand, then a double quote, a comma, a space, and type thank you. End quote. Now press enter. And there you have it. A perfectly formatted receipt, appropriately patronizing the customer. That's it for now. There's more on text functions coming soon. Thanks for watching.